How to find content gaps on YouTube using the research tab. So recently YouTube has introduced this new tab inside of analytics, which is called research. So I was playing around with this tool and I found something really interesting. So let's say, for example, that I would like to make a video about Shopify. So I'm going to search how to Shopify. Now I was scrolling around and I was looking at all these different searches, and you can see on the right hand, there's like the search volume on YouTube. There's high, medium, right? And then you can also save this right here by clicking, and it's going to be in your save tab, which I'm going to show you in a second. But then what's interesting is once in a while, you're going to find a search term which has a content gap next to it and a question mark. And so if we take a look at what the question mark means, is that a content gap is a way of measuring what viewers are searching for and the results they find. A content gap can happen when viewers can't find end results for their searches, viewers can't find an exact match for their search, or viewers can't find relevant videos for their searches. So what this basically means for you and me is that a content gap is an opportunity for us to create a video that has a high chance of ranking. So what I can do right now is I can think and research, what do the people want to see when they search myshopify.com, real or fake? Now, once I do my research, I can make a video about this and I can name it My Shopify, real or fake. And then if the viewer finds that video satisfactory and it answers their question, then the video is going to rank. And every time someone is going to search for this, and as you can see, it has medium search volume, my video is going to be at the top ranking. And so yeah, this is how to find content gaps on YouTube using the research tab inside of the analytics. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe.